Hello there guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Law. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Renowned actress Bawinile Ntshaba, who's known for her portrayal of Ketiwe from Generations and now Faith Zwide on House of Zwide, turned 47 years old today on the 1st of September 2022. So she wrote herself this beautiful letter on Instagram. This is what she wrote. Bawinile, I wish all things that you may prosper, be in good health, even as your soul prospers. Baba egameni lenkosi uJesu ngiyabonga for the 47 years of life. I thank you that my soul is counted amongst the living as I welcome this new chapter. Thank you for the lessons, the rebuke, the guidance, the companionship. Without your presence, I'm unable to take off. May you continue to rest your hands upon my life and beautifying everything it concerns. Now, there you have it, guys. We wish her a happy birthday. Now, please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.